So let's get started. I have transferred this project from one computer to another, and oh my goodness, I didn't get the stills. So I'm going to have to go back and recreate them. And you can see as I scrub through this timeline, and all the media is missing, but the transition is there. Okay, so what I need to do is go back to the other timeline and see where the stills are. Make myself a little tool. Go into DaVinci Resolve, File menu, open up Keyboard Customization, come over here to Search, type in Export, and then you'll see Export here. Open up that menu, that submenu, and here it says Current Frame as Still. Select that, click onto this text box, and I like Shift P for picture, and that'll save the current frame as a still, as a JPG, mind you. Okay, save. Reset name. I'm gonna call this Quick JPG Still. Okay. So now that I have my shortcut made, I can go to Shift and the down arrow, and then Shift and P, and it brings up this. And I want that to go to Turkey Dinner. DaVinci Turkey Dinner. Export. And it popped in just like that. Oh, now I can go to the next one. Hold down the Shift key in the down arrow, and I'll go to the next still I took, and then Shift and then P, and then Export, and then Shift and then down arrow, and then Shift and then P, and then hit Return for export, and then Shift and down arrow to the next still, and then P. As you can see, what I'm doing here is I have marked a bunch of spots on my timeline where the stills are. So I go to those stills and create my new frame. And there they're all popping in, just like that. How nice, huh? Okay, and that's all for this lesson. I'll get to cutting it later, but I wanted to check the lights and the camera angles and the dimensions and make sure I got everything working. Okay, that's enough of this noise for now.